To simplify something like this, we have to do this. Let's first write 8 in an exponential form. So we will have, so we know that 2 to the power of 3 is equals to 8, and then we close the bracket, we write 2 as an exponent, multiply by, so we can write 4 in exponential form. We know that to give us 2 to the power of 2 is the same as 4. Then the exponent there is x plus 1. Then the rest of this we can write 2 to the power of 2x as it is, multiply, so we can also write 16 in an exponential form. We know that 16 is the same as 2 to the power of 4. Then the next step, we just have to multiply this exponent. So let's do it. Here we have base 2, and then we multiply this exponents. 3 times 2 will give us 6, multiplied by, so we have base 2. Then we say 2 times x will give us 2x, and then we say 2 times 1 will give us plus 2. And we divide, numerator, we still have the same. And then for the next step, we just have to apply the multiplication rule all throughout, both on the numerator and the denominator. We'll have, so on the numerator we have base 2 and base 2. Remember that according to the multiplication rule, when you multiply similar bases, you add their exponents. So we're gonna write the base and then we add their exponents. So we have 6. We're gonna add it with 2x plus 2. And in our denominator, we're gonna apply the same, the multiplication rule. So we have similar bases, we write the base and then we add their exponents. It's gonna be 2x plus 4. Next step, we just have to add the like terms on the exponents. We'll have, we're gonna write our base 2 and then we're gonna say 6 plus 2, which will give us 8. We're gonna start with 2x plus 8. Then we divide, so our denominator, we write it as it is, 2 to the power of 2x plus 4. And then on the next step, we will have to apply another law of exponent, whereby we have to apply the division rule. According to the division rule, if you divide similar bases, you subtract the exponent. So you will have, we have similar bases, which is 2 and 2. Gonna write the base and then we subtract the exponent. So we are going to subtract the exponents based on their like terms. So we have 2x subtracted with 2x, and then we have 8x. We have 8, you subtract it with 4. And on the following step, we just want to write our base 2. Then we say 2x and 2x will give us 0, so we don't need to write it down. 8 minus 4 will give us 4. We'll be left with 2 to the power of 4. It's actually 16, right? So the square root of 16 will give us 4.